Today, I will be presenting on Zalora's customer service unit, the heart of its daily operations. As one of Asia's leading fashion e-commerce platform, Zalora receives hundreds of customer queries every day, ranging of simple questions about products to more serious issues like delivery problems or refund requests. These come through multiple channels: email, live chat, phone calls, and social media. What makes Zalora's customer service so crucial is its role in building customer satisfaction and loyalty. Every issue they resolve quickly helps build trust, and every delay could risk losing a customer. They follow service level agreements or SLAs to ensure that all customer concerns are handled in timely and efficient way. The unit doesn't work alone. It collaborates with the logistic, finance, and even marketing teams. For instance, during big campaign like 11/11 sales, the customer service team works closely with marketing to prepare FAQ scripts and respond quickly to increased inquiries. On top of that, they collect feedback and turn it into valuable insight for improving Zalora's services. So really, this unit is not just answering questions, it's shaping the overall brand experience.
Let's take a look at the main activity that makes Zalora one of the top fashion platforms in the Southeast Asia. First, Zalora focuses on online sales and digital marketing. They don't just sell clothes online. They use smart strategies like influencer campaign and creative ideas to attract attention, especially from the younger generation. A great example is their hashtag Zalora Get the Look campaign, which reached over 2.5 million people on Instagram. Next, Zalora is a data-driven company. They use a special system called Trender to study what people like to buy, what's trending, and what's going out of style. This helps them choose the right product and give customers exactly what they want, sometimes before the customer even asks for it. Lastly, Zalora handles logistics and brand advertising through their one-stop solution. They can manage stock in one place and deliver fast across many countries. They also help other brands advertise on their website using the Zalora advertising platform, making their site not just a shop, but a full marketing space. In short, Zalora combines fashion technology and smart strategy to stay ahead in a competitive world of online shopping.
Question 3 is the types of information and knowledge found in Zalora. In this context, information refers to the raw data collected and managed by the company. This includes details such as customer data, inventory records, logistics, tracking, and sales reports. These are essential for daily operations and decision making. Meanwhile, knowledge is developed through the analysis and understanding of that information. For instance, Zalora uses market trends and customer behavior insights to improve their strategies. They also rely on operational expertise and establish best practices to ensure efficiency and consistency. In short, information represents the data they gather, while knowledge reflects how the data is interpreted and applied in the business.
Moving on to the next part, the types and formats of information handled by the customer service team. Zalora receives a wide variety of information from customers, mostly digital. This includes email, live chat logs, Instagram DMs, Facebook messages, and even HTML form submissions. Sometimes, customers send pictures to prove if an item is damaged or incorrect, usually in JPEG or PNG formats. Internally, all this information is collected and stored in Zalora's CRM system, which is integrated with Mixpanel and Twilio segment. These tools help sort, tag, and analyze the tickets automatically. On the other hand, the responses going out are so well organized. Emails are sent using pre-designed HTML templates, chatbot replies use simple text or JSON, and summarized for reporting them exported as PDFs or Excel sheets. The customer service team also creates knowledge articles and facts that are stored in HTML or Markdown format and shared on Zalora's Help Center. All these formats work together to help Zalora deliver quick, accurate, and consistent service both and customers and across internal departments.
The logistic and inventory unit plays an important role in ensuring that customer order detail, including name, product, quality, and delivery address. It also reserves stock information like the number of available items and their locations in the warehouse. This data is tracked within the Warehouse Management System, WMS. In addition to receiving information, the unit also products important reports. The stock movement report help track product coming and going out of the warehouse. while the delivery performance reports monitor delivery speeds, delays, and customer complaints. In conclusions, these informations help Zalora operate more efficiently, improve customer satisfaction, and strengthen its reputation as a trusted e-commerce platform.
Next, let's look at how all this information is stored. Since Zalora is a fully digital business, almost everything is stored electronically. The system service team uses a centralized CRM system that stores customer interaction history, including emails, tickets, and chat logs. This system is connected to analytic tools like Twilio segment and Mixpanel, which give the team a full picture of each customer's history. Documents like SOPs, training manuals, and reports are stored in Google Workspace and Amazon Web Services. These platforms allow the team to collaborate in the real time and manage access securely using single sign-on features. This information is also linked to Tableau dashboards, where team leaders can view live analytics like how fast tickets are being answered or which issues come up the most. This helps them monitor and improve performance continuously. Physical storage is kept to a minimum. They only keep hard copies for legal or regulatory reasons, like signs of vendor agreements or audit reports. Everything else is backed up regularly and protected with encryption, access control, and disaster recovery plans. Overall, it's a well-secured, cloud-based system designed for flexibility, speed, and compliance.
Information retrieval at Zalora. At Zalora, retrieving information is fast and organized. All departments access data through digital system. Product teams can search item details. Warehouse team use system to check stock levels, and customer service team check order through CRM. There are also smart features like AI that auto-recommend product based on what the customer browses. This makes Zalora more efficient and improve customer experience.
Now we're moving on to look at how information is disseminated within and outside of Zalora. Internally, or what we refer to as intra-Zalora communication, the company uses various digital tools such as emails and their internal intranet system. They also rely on meetings and standard operating procedures to ensure that staff across different departments are aligned and informed. Externally, or inter-Zalora communication involves the sharing of information with vendors, logistics partners, and customers. For example, vendors need up-to-date stock information, while customers are kept informed through product pages, notifications, and marketing channels. This smooth exchange of information is vital to ensure operational success and customer satisfaction.
Zalora stores different types of information for different durations. Short-term data like live chats and ongoing orders are stored literally using dashboards and task management system. Long-term data such as customer orders, stock history, and sales records are kept in secure cloud systems. This data is well organized and protected under PDPA to ensure customer privacy.
Zalora used customer data smartly to create targeted advertisement. Instead of showing random ads, Zalora studies what customers search, click, and buy. For example, if someone often views women's sneakers, they may see ads for the similar product or special offers. The system also considers user location, gender, and past purchases to show ads that are more relevant and personalized. This increases customer engagement and improve sales because customers are more likely to click on ads that match their interests. It's a smart way of turning information into action, and it helps Zalora stay ahead in the online fashion industry.
Zalora follows specific standards to keep the information organized. This includes using consistent file names and product classifications. Information is regularly backed up, and only certain staff members can access sensitive data. They also follow the PDPA, which ensures that all customer data is managed securely and legally.
At Zalora, information management is a shared responsibility among different departments. Each team has its own role in making sure data is safe, organized, and used properly to support the company's success. The marketing, finance, and sales department use data every day. Marketing uses customer information like age, gender, and shopping behavior to create targeted ads. Finance handles budgets, sales, and expenses, ensuring everything is recorded accurately. The sales team look at which product sell best and uses feedback to plan promotion and pricing. The IT department manage the technical side. They take care of data storage system, cloud services, and cyber security. Their job is to make sure information flows smoothly between departments and is protected from any digital threats. The Human Resources (HR) department handles employee-related data. These include personal information, job application, salaries, training, and performance reviews. HR keep this information private and helps the company make their fair decision. In short, Zalora's success depends on all departments working together to manage information correctly, so the company can make smart decisions and serve customers better.
The relocation and inventory unit use the various keys facilities to manage information efficiently. They use internal communications platforms like Slack and Microsoft Teams to ensure quick communications between departments. For example, if a product is out of stock, the inventory teams can immediately notify the sales teams to update the website. They also use a warehouse management system, WMS, to track stocks, movements, product locations, and quantity. This helps reduce error and speeds up inventory process, especially during sales. Lastly, Zalora use role-based access control called RBAC to protect data. Staff can only access information related to their roles, which help prevent data leaks and ensure security. In conclusion, these tools help Zalora manage information smoothly, improve operations, and maintain customer trust.
Zalora deals with a large amount of data every day. It receives between 5,000 and 7,000 customer inquiries weekly. The team uploads around 500 to 1,000 new product listings each day. They also send more than 100,000 marketing emails every week. Handling this much data requires strong systems and clear processes.
The inventory and logistics unit faces several challenges in managing information. The first problem is information security. As most operations are online, which increases the risk of cyber attacks and data leaks. If customer data is exposed, it can harm Zalora reputations. The second issue is it increases stocks data, where the system shows different stocks levels than what actually in the warehouse. This can lead to delays and customer dissatisfactions. The third challenge is unstructured information, where important messages are shared informally like through WhatsApp or verbal communications and not properly recorded in the system. This can cause confusions and error in stock handling. In conclusions, these problems can affect efficiency and customer trust. A more reliable and structured information system is needed to solve them.
How does Zalora manage all of this information effectively? They use an integrated system CRM, 3-view segment, and mix panel to track every customer interaction across platforms. With this, agent can access the full customer history, which helps them respond faster and more accurately. Zalora also uses Tableau to power something called the Trender Dashboard. This helps team leaders track performance, like which types of problems are most common or how satisfied customers are, and make data-driven decisions. Automation plays a huge role too. Chatbots handle simple requests like order tracking or return status, which reduce the workload on human agents. Reply templates and tagging systems help organize and retrieve information quickly. On top of that, agents are trained regularly and given access to any internal knowledge base filled with facts, SOPs, and case studies. This ensures consistent service across the team.
Data mining is a big part of Zalora's strategy. They collect data from orders, searches, returns, and marketing campaigns. Analysis use tools like Python and SQL to find patterns and make predictions. For example, they can recommend products, plan promotions, and restock items faster. Zalora's strong data-driven culture helps the company make better and faster decisions.
Next is source construction within Zalora's information system. In this case, the process begins by identifying and organizing important terms that are relevant to Zalora's products. These could include things like clothing types, sizes, colors, and brand names. The next step involves defining the relationships between those terms, such as recognizing synonyms. For example, the word jacket might be linked to other terms like coat or outerwear. Additionally, Zalora applies metadata elements like product names, sizes, and even customer ratings to improve search accuracy. By constructing a well-structured thesaurus, Zalora is able to enhance the search experience on its platform, making it easier for customers to find what they need.
Metadata is very important at Zalora. Each product listed includes key information such as product name, brand, color, size, price, SKU, and availability. Some data is created automatically, like SKU codes, while others like descriptions and tags are added manually. This makes it easier for customers to search and find products and also helps the staff track inventory, manage stock, and generate reports.
Zalora uses cloud-based data warehouse facilities such as Google BigQuery and Amazon Redshifts to store important business data like customer service records, sales transactions, and product returns. This platform acts as a central storage system and uses the ETL process, interact, transforms, and load, to clean and organize data from platforms like Zendesk. With structured data, Zalora can perform analysis more easily across different departments. The use of visual tools like Power BI and Tableau allow managers to monitor real-time data just as return rates and customer complaints. This helps improve decision-making, identify service issues quickly, and support better collaborations between teams like customer service and logistics. In conclusion, cloud-based data warehouse is not only store data securely, but also helps Zalora make faster, smart decisions. They improve internal efficiency and are essential for managing large-scale business data effectively.
Now we explore the addressing systems used by Zalora. In the warehouse setting, each product is given a unique product code. This allows for precise tracking and inventory control, helping the team manage stock efficiently. Online, every product is assigned a specific URL. This means customers can directly access the product page by clicking or sharing that link. These addressing systems are crucial for both internal logistics and external user convenience, ultimately supporting better inventory management and a smoother shopping experience for the customer.